Hi everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, we are opening up 2 brand new subscription boxes to our channel. I'm super excited. So we have the Sisterhood subscription box and the Habitation subscription box. So here's just a glimpse. The Habitation box is this large one there. So yeah, these are brand new, so we'll learn a little bit more about them and open them today. But before we do so, I just want to take a quick moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here on our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. So how about we start off with the Sisterhood subscription box. So it came in a mailer bag. One of the items was outside of the box. So this box is interesting. It's different than other boxes I have received, and I believe it's a pretty new subscription. So this is like a self-love and self-care box, and in every box you get multivitamins, which I think is great, and you also get things that are like motivational, things that can help you with self-care and personal growth and development, so I think that is great. They offer 2 different subscription plans. We're opening the signature box today, and that is the one that comes with both multivitamins and then 3 to 4 other items, and that is $34.95. And then they also have like just the vitamin box, which is $18.65 a month. And they gave a code here to enjoy $5 off your next box, Kitty5, so I will leave that down below. But yeah, I'm excited to see what's inside, so let's get this box open. When I open it up, this is what it looks like. Cute colors. It says, Sisterhood's monthly guide. Get the most out of your subscription box in this month's theme by following this guide as your journey through growth, empowerment, and success. This is what it looks like on the inside. So this month's box theme is Happiness is a Habit. And what's inside, so it lists all the things that come in there, and then there's a monthly challenge. It says, before sitting down to read the book that will open, included in this month's delivery, ask yourself the following questions. What are habits that support my long-term goal? And then they give more information on how to do that. And it says, let's do this work, sis. So I'm not going to read all of this right now because you could see it is pretty long, but I think that's great. They give that along with all the items, and everything else is wrapped up in tissue. How about we start off with that book that came on the outside though? This is The Badass Life, 30 Amazing Days to a Lifetime of Great Habits, Body, Mind, and Spirit. And this is by Christmas Abbott. I'm excited to read this. 30 days, like that gives you like motivation to like read it every day too. Challenge your mind, body, and spirit for 30 life-changing days. It's a motivational guide designed to encourage habit change through fun, dynamic, daily tasks, challenging your body, mind, and spirit. I'm excited about this. Have you guys read this? I'm excited. I love stuff like that. Now on to what's inside. Ooh, there's snacks. I'm so hungry. I've had these before, I think, and they're so good. I didn't even look at anything else in here, guys. I just grabbed the food items. This is by Andy's. It's the Boom Chicka Pop Sweet and Salty Kettle Corn. Yum. It says, go ahead, you deserve it. This month's treats are fall favorites. A kettle corn from Boom Chicka Pop. And then, I'm so excited because I haven't had a car to go get some. These are by Starbucks. They're instant pumpkin spice latte mixes. Ah! Oh my god, this sounds so good. What do you have to do? Do you just need water? I hope so. Yeah, combined with 8 ounces of fluid water, stir and enjoy. Is there caffeine in it too? I would think so, right? I'm gonna make one after this because I was gonna make coffee. I was just saying that in my video I filmed before this. I am so excited about this. Perfect for this month, like October, yes. And next we have our multivitamins, which I need to start taking them. And when I have chewy ones, I'm way more likely. I know I'm a child, but this is the Well Hello Glow Strawberry Multivitamins Daily Dietary Supplement 60 count. And one serving is 2 pieces. And yeah, I am excited that they include this. So I'll look at the label more and stuff, but looks like a standard multivitamin. And then next up we have something by Play Footsie, the perfectly posh, schwanky and soft with peppermint and thyme exfoliating foot cream. How cute is this packaging? And yeah, my feet and my nails don't look good. Need some TLC for sure. It says preserve your petty. AHAs from natural sugars help exfoliate dry feet without scrubbing, allowing shea butter to deeply moisturize in this nourishing cream with a refreshing peppermint and thyme. Apply a thin layer nightly for maximum results and wash hands after use. Nice. Definitely good for self-care. And then there's one more item in this here. It says handmade. Oh, cool. So these are like little extra gifts, and they call these the boho coasters. These are super cute. I like these a lot. They'll go with my living room downstairs because I have like a sun mirror and the colors will go with it. So awesome, you guys. I think this was a good box. I love getting boxes that are different from my other ones, so I would love to hear your thoughts down below. But let's get that big box open next, the Habitation subscription. All right, so the Habitation box is a home decor box. I've never gotten one before that I can recall. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think so. So super excited about this. They offer 2 different subscription plans. If I look weird right now, it's because the big box is underneath. So they offer 2 different subscription plans, and the first one you get 3 to 5 items, and it costs $69.99, and then in the second plan you get 6 to 8 items, and it's $120. They did give me a code KITTY10 to save 10% off your first box, and what I think is super great is they offer both monthly or quarterly subscriptions, so you get to choose the amount of items you get, how much you pay, and how frequently you get it. So I think that is awesome, and I can't wait to see what type of stuff is in here. And this box is so huge. Have you guys ever tried a decor box before? I've heard of like Deco-Crated, but that's the only other one I can think of. All right, so it looks like they sent me the Habitation one, so the one where you get 3 to 5 items that is less expensive. And in here, you get a pair of bronze candle holders. One is 10.5 inches and the other is 15 inches. I don't have anything like this, but these do look really cool. And I do have like little tea candles and stuff. You might need like one of those long thin ones for these, but I will see. And then you get, oh, this is like very like wintry. It's so crazy that's like not far away, so you can like prepare for the upcoming season. Next is mint tree with red berries in a burlap sack. Yeah, this reminds me of the holiday season so much, which is crazy it's coming soon. I'm like still in denial. And then you get a friends and family gather here cutting board. And on here it says bamboo cutting and serving board. This is by Brownlow Gifts. And bamboo, the environmentally friendly renewable resource. Many antibacterial properties, easy to clean, and with mild detergent and water. Not recommended for microwave or dishwasher. This is super cute. And then you get 19 3/4 inch dry natural flax bunch. So this is what they look like. I didn't want to take them out because at first I thought there'd be something in here to put them in, but there isn't, so this is what it looks like. Again, I think this is like perfect decor for the winter time. And it looks like if you got the Habitation 2 box, you would also get a reversible table runner, the birch leaf garland, and butter spreader, spread holiday cheer from the Giving Spoon. Oh, I would have liked to get that table runner. I have like a fall one out now. But this is cool. It's like giving me items like I can decorate my house with that I normally wouldn't get for myself. I'm not great at decorating, so I can use like all the tips. And also I just, you know, I don't know. When I go shopping myself, I don't like spending money on that type of thing. But like getting it in a subscription box, I can go for it because you get things for a lot less. Hey guys, so I'm back and looking different because it is the next day, or maybe it's 2 days from now. But I just received another new box, and it's called the BrowBox, and I really wanted to include it in this video. So BrowBox is an eyebrow subscription, as you can probably tell by the box, and they are available on Cratejoy, and I'm so excited about this box. I've never heard of a brow subscription before. So it says here on Cratejoy that the BrowBox is a bi-monthly brow beauty subscription box uniquely for eyebrow lovers. And I've been really working on my eyebrow game lately and trying a bunch of different pencils and stuff and shaping them. So I think I fit into that category. I know a lot of people do. So it looks like plans start as low as $29.54 every other month. I will link them down below, of course. And when you subscribe, you get to pick out the color. So they have 5 different options: blonde, taupe, deep brown, charcoal, and auburn. And then they also ask you your t-shirt size, so I think you get some stuff like that as well, and that ranges from small to extra large, or XXL. And in your box, you can expect to receive your brow makeup replenishables, full-size products, some brow keepsakes, and brow goodies and products from the monthly featured eyebrow company, and that could be full-size or samples. So yeah, this sounds pretty dang great. I'm excited to see what's inside, so let's get this open. And I requested the shade taupe. I am blonde, but I'm like a darker blonde, especially now that I haven't got my hair done forever. And I just generally like taupe shades over blonde anyways. When I open it up, it looks like there's a card here, and then everything's wrapped up. And look, there's a brow sticker. Says, thank you for your support and enjoy your BrowBox. And it was initialed by who packaged the box. That's a nice touch. And in your October box, you get your usual skinny brow pencil, powder, and spoolies, a super cute brow and lash pin, or I won't keep saying it, we'll see. That's nice, they have a list there. This looks like there's some extra stuff right on top I can see. Oh man, is there a scrunchie with brows on it? Okay, we have to start that. You guys, if you know me, you know I love scrunchies, like weirdly so, but I really do. And look, it's pink too, and there's brows on it. Awesome. And then we have a lip mask here, it looks like. And then onto the brow products. So this must be the brow pencil, I'm assuming. Yeah, skinny brow pencil and taupe, that's what I thought. And the brand is Eden. So this is what it looks like. There is a spoolie on one end, which I appreciate. And then here's the pencil. I'm glad it's a micro one too, especially for me having such low brows, small brows, low brow hair count. Maybe that's what I was trying to get at right there. I don't really know. And this looks like it will be a good color. I'm just trying to draw it on enough so you guys can see it. I am so excited, but we're not done. There's several other things in here. So here is the brow shadow. So I'm getting the brow powder, but also by Eden. So they're the featured brow company, this box. And I did use brow powder for a little bit and I liked it, but it was like actually pretty quick. I don't know what happened. I guess I forgot about it. So it's in 10 Sandy Blonde. And this is what it looks like. And I'll just swatch it on my hand. Ooh, that would make a good like eyeshadow crease color too, but that is a good match. I'm gonna try these all out. I can't wait. And then they put in here some extra spoolies. I love that. That's awesome. And we have some tweezers by Eden. Nice. So it says Eden on there. I'm not sure you can tell. We have a little pin that has eyelashes and brows on it. And then one more thing, I feel like we get a lot in here. This is Brow Love by Getty Cosmetics. So you put this in your brow, let's see what it says. It's a brow styling wax. Yeah, so you get our skinny brow pencil, powder, and spoolies, a super cute brow and lash pin, an adorable brow print scrunchie. So happy about that. A pair of quality tweezers, a brow styling wax, and then the freebie lip mask. I think that's a lot. Like, oh my gosh, this is great. I've never used a wax either. Like, I've heard good things. It's kind of like you can use it in the way they do like soap brows too, right? I don't know why I'm swatching this. It's a wax, but it doesn't seem like too hard or anything like that. So if you have like unruly brows too, this can help. I'm so excited to play around with this, and I've never tried a brow wax. This will be super fun. I can't wait to see how the color looks. So if you guys see my brows in a few videos, because I think I have something pre-filmed after this, but let me know how they're looking. So that is that for this box, and now I'm gonna skip ahead to my conclusion that I already filmed. So I would love to hear your thoughts down below. These are two brand new to our channel and very different boxes, so let me know your thoughts. And thank you so much for being here and unboxing these with me. And special thanks to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn the perks and join. I would absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching this video is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.